Welcome back to Easy Talk English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sam. Hey, everybody.
Today we have a really fun and useful topic. We're going to teach you how to talk about planning a birthday party in English.
Yes, this is something everyone does, right? Birthdays are special, and planning a party, well, that takes a lot of talking.
Exactly. So if you're learning English, this conversation will help you a lot. You'll learn words, phrases, and how to actually talk about parties with your friends.
And we're going to keep it simple and natural, just like two friends chatting.
Perfect. So are you ready?
Let's do it. Hey, Sarah, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was actually just thinking about birthday parties today.
Oh, yeah? Why's that?
Well, my friend Emma, her birthday is coming up next month, and I'm thinking about throwing a surprise party for her.
Ooh, a surprise party. That's exciting. Have you planned a surprise party before?
Once, a long time ago. It was for my sister. But honestly, I'm a little nervous.
Why nervous?
Because there's so much to think about, like where to have it, who to invite, what food to make. It's a lot.
Yeah, I get that. Planning a party can feel like a lot of work, but it's also really fun once you get started.
I hope so. Have you planned a lot of parties?
A few, yeah. Not all of them were surprise parties, but I've done birthday parties, small get-togethers, things like that.
Nice. Then maybe you can help me.
Of course, I'd love to. Let's talk through it.
Okay, so first question. Where should I have the party?
Good question. That's usually the first thing to decide. Where do you think?
I was thinking maybe at my apartment?
Your apartment could work. How big is it?
It's not huge. It's a 2-bedroom. I have a living room and a small kitchen.
Okay, so how many people are you thinking of inviting?
Maybe 10 to 15 people?
10 to 15 in a 2-bedroom, that might be a little tight, but it's possible.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. I don't want it to feel too crowded.
Right. So maybe you could have it somewhere else, like a park or rent a small room somewhere.
A park is a good idea, but her birthday is in November and it might be cold.
Oh, true. November can be chilly. Yeah, maybe not a park then.
What about a restaurant?
That could work. Some restaurants have private rooms. You could reserve one.
Yeah, and then I wouldn't have to cook or clean up.
Exactly. That's a big plus. But it might cost more.
Yeah, I'm on a budget. I don't want to spend too much money.
I understand. Okay, so maybe your apartment is still the best choice. You just have to be smart about the space.
What do you mean?
Like, move some furniture around. Make more room. Keep it simple.
Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, I can do that.
And honestly, when people are having fun, they don't really care if it's a little crowded.
That's true. Okay, I think I'll do it at my place then.
Great. So that's step 1, location, your apartment.
Okay, next. When should I have the party?
Well, when is Emma's actual birthday?
It's on a Wednesday, November 12th.
A Wednesday. Okay. So, do you want to have the party on the actual day or on the weekend?
I think the weekend is better. More people can come.
Yeah, I agree. Most people are busy on weekdays. They have work or school.
Right, so maybe the weekend before or the weekend after?
Either one works. What do you think Emma would prefer?
I think the weekend after. That way she can celebrate on her actual birthday with her family and then celebrate again with friends.
Oh, I like that. 2 celebrations. She'll love that.
Yeah. Okay, so the weekend after. That's Saturday, November 15th.
Perfect. And what time?
Good question. Evening, I think. Like 7 or 8 p.m.?
7 or 8 sounds good. That gives people time to finish their day and get ready.
Exactly. Okay, so Saturday, November 15th at 7 p.m. at my apartment.
Awesome. You're doing great.
Okay, now who should I invite?
Good question. Who are Emma's closest friends?
Let's see. There's me, obviously. Then there's Lisa, Jen, Mark, and David. Those are her close friends.
Okay, so 5 people so far.
Yeah, and then maybe some coworkers. She talks about a few people from work.
Sure. How many coworkers?
Maybe 3 or 4?
Okay, so that's about 8 or 9 people total.
Yeah, and maybe her neighbor. She's really close with her neighbor, Lucy.
Oh, nice. So that's 10 people. That's a good number.
Yeah, I think so. Not too big, not too small.
Exactly. And since it's a surprise, you'll have to contact everyone secretly.
Oh man, that's gonna be tricky.
It can be, but it's also fun. Just send them a message or call them. Tell them it's a surprise and not to say anything to Emma.
Right, I'll probably make a group chat.
Good idea. That way everyone knows what's going on.
Yeah, and I can give them updates, like what time to arrive and stuff.
Exactly. Just make sure Emma's not in the group chat.
Yeah, that would ruin everything.
So, let's talk about food. What are you going to serve?
Oh boy, food is the hard part.
Why hard?
Because I'm not a great cook.
Okay, fair. But you don't have to cook everything yourself.
Really?
Yeah, you can keep it simple. Order pizza, get some snacks, maybe a salad.
Oh, that's a good idea. Pizza is always a hit.
Exactly. Everyone loves pizza, and it's easy.
True. So maybe 2 or 3 pizzas?
Yeah, for 10 people, 3 large pieces should be enough.
Okay, and then some snacks, like chips, maybe some veggies and dip?
Perfect. And don't forget drinks.
Oh yeah, what kind of drinks?
Soda, water, maybe some juice. And if people drink alcohol, maybe some beer or wine?
Yeah, Emma likes wine. I'll get a couple bottles.
Nice. And don't forget cups and plates.
Right. Paper plates and plastic cups. Easy cleanup.
Exactly. You're thinking smart.
Okay, and the most important thing, the cake.
Yes, you have to have a birthday cake.
Should I make one or buy one?
Well, can you bake?
Not really.
Then definitely buy one.
Okay, good. Where should I get it?
There are lots of bakeries, or you can get one from a grocery store. They usually have good cakes.
Yeah, I think I'll go to that bakery downtown. They have really pretty cakes.
Oh, nice. What kind of cake does Emma like?
She loves chocolate.
Perfect. Get a chocolate cake and make sure they write Happy Birthday Emma on it.
Yes, I'll do that. Should I get candles too?
Definitely. How old is Emma turning?
She's turning 28.
Okay, so get the number candles, 2 and 8.
Good idea. That'll look cute.
Yeah, and everyone can sing happy birthday.
Oh, I love that part.
All right, so you've got the basics covered. Location, time, guests, food, cake. What else?
Decorations?
Oh yeah, decorations make it feel like a real party.
What should I get?
Balloons are always good, and maybe some streamers.
Yeah. What colors?
What's Emma's favorite color?
She loves blue.
Perfect. Get blue and maybe silver or white. That'll look nice together.
Okay. And maybe a happy birthday banner?
Yes, you can hang it on a wall. It'll look great in photos.
Oh yeah, photos. I should take lots of pictures.
Definitely. And maybe ask someone to take a video when she walks in. That surprise moment is always the best.
Oh my gosh, yes. I'll ask Mark. He's good with cameras.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm feeling more confident now, but I'm still nervous about the surprise part.
What are you nervous about?
Like, what if she finds out? Or what if she doesn't like surprises?
Those are good questions. Does Emma like surprises?
I think so. She's pretty easygoing.
Okay, then she'll probably love it. And as for her finding out, just be careful. Don't leave any clues around.
Right, like don't leave the decorations out or anything.
Exactly. And make sure everyone arrives before she does.
How do I make sure she comes at the right time?
You could invite her over for something casual, like say you want to watch a movie or have dinner.
Ooh, good idea. So she won't suspect anything.
Exactly. And then when she walks in, surprise!
I love it. I hope it works.
It will. You got this.
Okay, let's talk about games or activities. Should we do anything special?
That's up to you. Some people like games, some don't.
What kind of games?
Like party games, charades, trivia, card games, things like that.
I think Emma would like trivia. She's really smart.
Okay, you could do a trivia game about Emma. Like, how well do you know the birthday girl?
Oh, that's fun. Like ask questions about her favorite things?
Exactly. Favorite food, favorite movie, where she grew up, stuff like that.
I love that idea. It'll be funny.
Yeah, and everyone will learn more about her.
Okay, I'll plan a trivia game.
Awesome. And if you want, you can have small prizes, like candy or little gifts.
Oh, cute. Yeah, I'll do that. What about music?
Music is important. You need a good playlist.
Yeah, what kind of music should I play?
Something fun and upbeat. Maybe pop music or whatever Emma likes.
She She likes pop and a little bit of country.
Okay, mix it up. Make a playlist with both.
Good idea. I'll use Spotify.
Perfect. And keep the volume at a good level. Not too loud, not too quiet.
Right. You want people to be able to talk, but still hear the music.
Exactly.
Okay, I think I'm almost ready. But what about a gift?
Oh, yeah. Are you getting her a gift?
I want to, but I don't know what to get.
What does Emma like?
She loves reading, and she likes candles.
Okay, so maybe a book and a nice candle?
Yeah, that's perfect. She's been wanting to read this new mystery novel.
There you go. Get her that book and a candle. She'll love it.
Okay, should I wrap it?
Definitely. Wrapping makes it feel more special.
True. I'll get some nice wrapping paper.
And maybe a card?
Yes, I'll write her a nice message.
Perfect. All right, let's review everything. You've got a lot planned.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Location, my apartment. Date, Saturday, November 15th. Time, 7 p.m.
Good.
Guests, 10 people. Food, pizza, snacks, drinks, and a chocolate cake.
Great.
Decorations, blue and silver balloons, streamers, and a birthday banner. Plus a trivia game and music.
Awesome.
And a gift, a book and a candle.
You've got everything.
I think so. I just need to actually do it now.
You'll be great. Just take it one step at a time.
Have you ever had a surprise party for yourself?
I have once. My friends threw me one for my 30th birthday.
Oh, wow. How was it?
It was amazing. I had no idea. I thought we were just going to dinner.
And then?
We got to the restaurant and all my friends were there. I was so shocked.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Yeah, I almost cried. It was really special.
See, that's what I want for Emma. I want her to feel special and loved.
And she will, trust me.
Okay, one more thing. What if something goes wrong?
Like what?
Like, what if the cake gets messed up or someone can't come?
Well, things can go wrong. That's just life. But you deal with it.
How?
Stay calm. Be flexible. If the cake gets messed up, order another one. Or just buy something simple from the store. If someone can't come, it's okay. The people who are there will still make it special.
That's true. I just want everything to be perfect.
I get that. But perfect isn't always realistic. What matters is that you're doing something nice for your friend. She'll appreciate the effort no matter what.
You're right. I need to relax a little.
Exactly. Just have fun with it.
Do you have any other tips for planning parties?
Let me think. Oh, make a checklist.
A checklist?
Yeah, write down everything you need to do, then you can check things off as you go. It helps you stay organized.
That's smart. I'll do that tonight.
And start early. Don't wait until the last minute.
Right. I have a few weeks, so I should be okay.
Yeah, you have plenty of time. Just don't procrastinate.
I won't, I promise.
Oh, and one more thing. Have a backup plan.
Backup plan?
Yeah, like if something goes wrong with the apartment, have another option. Or if the weather is bad and people can't get there, maybe reschedule.
Okay, that makes sense.
It's always good to have a plan B.
Got it. Okay, I think I'm ready. Thank you so much for helping me.
Of course, I'm happy to help.
I feel a lot better now, less nervous.
Good. You've got this. Emma is lucky to have a friend like you.
Aw, thanks. I just want her to have a great birthday.
And she will. I know it.
So, what's the best birthday party you've ever been to?
Oh man, that's a tough question. I've been to a lot of good ones.
Just pick one.
Okay. There was this one party. My friend Jake had a big barbecue for his birthday. It was in the summer at his house. He has a huge backyard.
Nice.
Yeah, he grilled burgers and hot dogs. There was a pool. We played volleyball. It was just really fun and relaxed.
That sounds perfect.
It was. And it wasn't fancy or expensive. It was just simple and fun.
I love that. Sometimes simple is best.
Exactly.
What about you? What's your favorite birthday memory?
Probably my 10th birthday. My parents took me and my friends to an amusement park.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, we rode roller coasters all day, and then we had cake and ice cream at home. It was the best day ever.
Aw, that's a great memory.
Yeah, birthdays are special when you're a kid. Everything feels magical.
True, but they can still be special as an adult.
Definitely. You just have to make an effort.
All right, I think we covered everything. Any final advice?
Just enjoy it. Don't stress too much. Parties are supposed to be fun.
You're right. I'll try to relax and enjoy the planning process.
Good. And remember, Emma will love it no matter what.
Thanks, Sam. You're the best.
Anytime.
Okay, let's wrap this up. So, for everyone watching, we talked about how to plan a birthday party.
Yep. We covered location, time, guests, food, decorations, activities, and gifts.
And we talked about how to keep it simple and fun.
Exactly. Planning a party doesn't have to be stressful. Just take it step by step.
And if you're planning a party in English, now you have lots of useful words and phrases.
Right. Like throw a party, surprise party, guest list, decorations, all that good stuff.
So, we hope this conversation helped you.
And we hope your next party is amazing.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching Easy Talk English.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe for more easy English lessons.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.